guys, it's time to talk about the Samsung. Samsung is not only working on the Galaxy S9, S9 Plus, the Galaxy X and the Galaxy Zero. In fact, the Samsung is also working on a rollable display device. At IFA 2005, the Dutch oil company showed world's first prototype of an e-reader radius rollable display concept. Years later, at CES 2016, LG showed an 18-inch flexible OLED display of only 1 mm thick. The rollable TV was the lightest and thinnest display ever shown working. 2 months later, Samsung demonstrated a rollable OLED display at SID 2016. It was a 5.7-inch screen, only 0.3 mm thick and 5 grams. This screen could very well be used as a flexible smartphone screen. A new patent from Samsung Display has just been published in the WePort database. The application filling data was June 13, 2017, while the original application was filled exactly 1 year earlier with the Korean Intellectual Property Office. The patent flexible display panel from Samsung can curl around a main body. The main body will be made from a metallic material, while the display includes one or more magnets to easily attach the rollable display to the body. The patent shows rollable display devices with different form factors, including one with a square and cylindrical body. This cylindrical model has a roller that can rotate to spirally with the flexible display panel. When the flexible display panel is being spirally wound around the main body, the display can be fixed to the body by magnetic force of the magnet. At the beginning of the December, Let's Go Digital showed a patent from LG showing a rollable display with a cassette. The cassette contained a rotating motor. Samsung seems to choose from magnets. The magnets can be placed along with the length or width direction of the flexible display panel. That's not the only thing shown in the patent. Once rolled up, users will be able to easily carry the rollable display device anywhere they want. To secure the data shown on the flexible display panel, the main body will feature an integrated fingerprint sensor. By simply pressing the main body with your thumb, the display panel will be unlocked and can be rolled out. It has already been a while since we have seen the last prototype of a rollable OLED display. And let me know what you guys think about a rollable display device of the Samsung. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, then thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel for daily tech videos. And I will catch you guys in the next one. See you soon.